find the equation of the tangent line, we use the equation y equals m times x minus x1 plus y1, where x1, y1 is a point on the line, and m is the slope. Or in our case, the instantaneous rate of change at x equals 2. So for our point, we already know that the x part of our point is 2. And the y part we would get by plugging in 2 to the formula, so that would be just 1/2, 1 over 2. But to get the instantaneous rate of change, we're going to use the formula. Instantaneous rate of change is the limit as h goes to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a over h. Where in this situation, f of a plus h means f of 2 plus h, f of a means f of 2. So let's find those values first. F of a plus h would be f of 2 plus h. So we're looking at the x value 2, which would be 1 over 2 plus h. And f of a would be f of 2, which is 1 over 2. And now we plug into this formula. The limit 1 over 2 plus h minus 1 over 2 over h. We want to clear these fractions out of the numerator, so we're going to multiply by the denominators of the fractions on the top and the bottom. So that means 2 times 2 plus h over 1, and 2 times 2 plus h over 1. This doesn't change our equation because we're just multiplying by 1. This will be the limit h goes to 0 of, we distribute the 2 times 2 plus h to this first fraction, the 2 plus h cancels out and we're left with just 2. Minus, if we distribute to this second fraction, the 2 will cancel out, and we're left with just 2 plus h over 2h times 2 plus h. This is the limit h goes to 0 of 2 minus 2 minus h over 2h, 2 plus h. The 2's cancel. Limit h goes to 0, negative h over 2h, 2 plus h. H cancels, and we have the limit h goes to 0, negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus h. And at this point we can plug in h equals to 0. So this is negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus 0, which is negative 1/4. So this value, negative 1/4, is our slope. Well, now we take our slope, plug it into this linear formula for m, and we take our point and plug in for x1 and y1. So we have the formula y equals negative 1/4 x minus 2 plus 1/2. And we simplify this formula to get negative 1/4 x. Negative 1/4 times negative 2 is positive 2/4, which is positive 1/2, And then we have this plus 1/2. We have y equals -1/4 x plus 1, which is the equation of our tangent line.